Our goal was to create a shaver that combines efficient shaving with expert craftsmanship to create a work of mechanical art. Through the Moto window, users can witness the next generation of shaving. This is the Laifen P3 Pro electric shaver. To optimize the performance of the P3 Pro, we redesigned the motor system, using a dual-drive, high-speed linear motor to double the cuts per minute. The two motors work in tandem with shock absorbers on both sides to effectively dampen and reduce vibrations. We've integrated numerous innovations throughout the body to maximize motor performance and significantly boost power output. It also intelligently adapts to changes in beard density to provide a consistent, tug-free shave. We've developed a 3-blade system for a more efficient shave. The innovative arc blade foils greatly increase the shaving area, and the trimmer head catches long hairs with ease. The blade surface is laser etched to reduce friction and minimize skin irritation. We use an electroformed shaver foil with 0.055 millimeter holes, paired with ultra-sharp inner blades to deliver a closer shave while being gentle on the skin. 2 high-energy density batteries provide up to 100 minutes of use. And it's suitable for both wet and dry shaving. Power, precision, perfected. This is the Laifen P3 Pro electric shaver.